In this video, we're going to be talking about how to get Klarna Card in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is download the Klarna application and simply go ahead and click on the sign up button. Once you've done that, you will need to go ahead and enter your details like your government ID, your legal name, and so on. When you simply go ahead and create your account, this is going to be the page that is going to welcome you. Simply go ahead and click on the Klarna Card option or down here as well. Once you simply go ahead and do that, simply go ahead and click on Get Your Card and then click on Continue when it says check your eligibility. Then you'll need to give them a bunch of your personal details like your legal name, your last name, your date of birth, your email, your phone number, your residential address, and so on. And when you're approved, they will go ahead and give you your card. So it is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.